Hello everyone, I'm Bodine Victoria. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we are using my oven. We have one little kapunkel up little cake we're going to put together today, simply because I wanted to try something new and I wanted to save some of my other recipes for my new YouTube channel, which is Bodine Pot. So check the link in the description below so that you can sign up for notifications for when it's going to be airing starting January 2021. Bodine Pot is sponsored by Showman E-Bistro. Let Showman E-Bistro bring the flavors and the tastes of the world into your kitchens. Let's say that you have a small family like me. Well, what you're gonna do is you're going to get the build your own meal kit, and you can choose from your appetizers, your soup, your salads, which are in collaboration with Greenleaf Farms. Then you can choose your entrees with vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, and omnivoric options for people like me who just eat everything, plus your wines, which are in partnership with Springbok Company Limited. You have so many different options to upgrade and of course customize your meal kit. So go to showmanebistro.com for the regular meal kit or for the build your own meal kit, all available again in January 2021. Okay, I didn't tell y'all that this cake was gonna be kapunkel up, right? And by kapunkel up, I mean bad, you know. I just mean I put a lot of things inside this. So if you want to see, let's go get this recipe started. We are going to start today's recipe by creaming the eggs, the sugars, the oils together. So you need 3 eggs. To this, we are going to add 3/4 of a cup of ricotta cheese. You want to use ricotta, you don't want to use cream cheese. I know you may be tempted, but that is going to significantly change the texture of your cake. We're literally only going to add 1/2 to 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. You can add 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of butter, okay? So I'm adding about this much, which would be a little over or a little under 1/2 cup of butter. But hold on, folks, we're not done yet. We're going to add 1/4 cup of oil. Just 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to beat these together. We're going to add 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, no more, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. We want to take about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is going to be a very spicy, sweet cake. So 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And you want 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. This pineapple, it's crushed pineapple. Yes, yes. We're going to add 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Now this is dried apricots. It's from the English Showman E-Bistro box. They took us to England and I still have so much of this left. So it is perfect. I know most people would have soaked these in rum, but this is not a typical fruit cake. And of course, Showman keeps giving us guava, so gonna throw about 3/4 of a cup of guava in here. We're going to add 1/2 cup of dried coconut flakes. Y'all see why I say don't put no bunch of sugar in this? And now we are going to add our chopped walnuts. Yes, I know there's a lot going on with this cake. And we're going to fold these all into the batter. And you should already be able to see just how much hydration these bring to the batter. Funny story, everyone. I forgot to put the vanilla in, so I'm gonna put a little bit of it in now. We're gonna say about a teaspoon and a half in, and I'm gonna just quickly try to incorporate it. It's never too late to add your vanilla. So let's just hope it works out really, really well. We are going to spray it liberally with spray. You want to make sure that you get it in there. You're just going to spoon your batter into the bundt tin. I'm also going to put just a little bit more of this liqueur on it because it tastes good. And just like that, we finished with the cake. I tell y'all this cake was kabika up. Well, we didn't have no junkanoo, so I decided to put everything inside the cake. And if you look at the video, you can see that the cake is spongy. It springs right back up to the touch. It's delicious. And I'm telling you, if you want to keep it a little bit longer, you take a little bit of sugar and water, you boil it on the stove, you let it come to a cool after it thickens, and then you put it over the top of the cake and you keep the cake in the refrigerator. Bring it out, let it come down to room temperature as you slice it. Beautiful. Or you can heat it up in the oven again, pour some nice delicious rum of your choice on top of that, and serve it with rum raisin ice cream, butter pecan ice cream, or vanilla ice cream. I personally think this is the perfect cake for breakfast. And as my friends at Island Connection did say, when I gave them this cake, they absolutely loved it. They ate it piece by piece. And it ain't a fruit cake, but it has fruit, so it's perfect. All right, guys, I have to say that those Showman E-Bistro ingredients, they did come in handy. Don't forget, Showman E-Bistro, their chefs are on a break for now, but starting in 2021, you can order your regular meal kit or your build your own meal kit and have the satisfaction of traveling to the world using your taste buds. Go to showmanebistro.com for more information and more updates. Finally, I have a new YouTube channel. I'd like for you to hit the description bar and please click on Bodine Pot. Go straight to that YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm going to be uploading some really traditional Bahamian recipes on that channel and updating a few others that we have done throughout the year. We are now at 43 episodes of Bodine Pot up until this particular point, and I cannot believe that for 52 weeks out of the year, we have 43 episodes up and 43 that you guys have participated in. And I really want to say thank you guys so much for being here with me and supporting, and to my sponsors and my family and my friends. Don't forget, don't let any and everybody dig up in your pot.